Hello friends, today I'm going to learn birds. Parrot, crow, peacock, pigeon, ostrich, swan, eagle, hen, owl, rooster, duck. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.